Oh, mi gente. This video, we're just gonna be driving around and say I done filled up the other day. You know, so y'all seen the other video where I filled it up, so this is the day after that. So we got gas to just drive around, you know. I might not talk on this video here and just, y'all listen to the car. You know. I'm gonna drive through the hood. Let's just see what we see. I might get some little commentary, you know what I'm saying? But this video is gonna be more just driving, you know, just to cut through, enjoy. I'm like, I can't even stay quiet. But this day 3, like I said, I'm going a different route. So I got gas today. I got gas, so I'm gonna go a different route. And I'm behind this Audi truck, this Q4. I think that thing electric. It don't look too good. I don't really like it like that. But I'm gonna go a different route today. I got gas, so I might as well just go ahead and slide, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that thing ugly. Y'all see the Q4? The Audi Q4? Oh, you got a hatch? Oh, hell no, this is a car SUV type bullshit. Oh, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. That thing there, the color nice though. Other than that shit is ugly. Ooh, the Lexus looking good. Thing squatted too. I like to put it in competition mode and slide. I like the way it shifts. I got it on competition mode and I got it on shift trying so I can go through the gears myself. I can get up out of that quicker, you know. So for me, I'm just trying to get comfortable, you know. Like I said, consistency is key. So right now, I'm looking to see like what you guys like. So I'm reading the comments. I'm looking at how long y'all stand on the videos. I'm looking to see like what y'all like and what y'all don't like. So I'm just making a whole bunch. I'm just putting it out there. Like I said, I'm just putting it out. 30 videos, boom, 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 boom. Cause I'm trying to get comfortable with the camera. Like yesterday I jumped out with the camera at the gas station with the camera on my head because I got the GoPro mount on my head. So I jumped out. Usually I jump out and kind of I want to record but I don't. So then I kind of like had a camera to the side or whatever. I can't even see the light. I kind of had a camera to the side, kind of hidden, but I kind of messed up the video doing that. This that school, Edwards Waters. If y'all know, y'all know. You know what I'm saying? But you know, this is the big U out here, you know what I'm saying? University of Miami, real deals. That's what I'm about, you know what I'm saying? But this is Edward Waters right here, you know what I'm saying? This black college, founded in 1866. They might be graduating right now. See people dressed up. EWU. That boy over the crosswalk. He played too much. What are you gonna do? He bucked the light. What kind of driving they doing on this side? And the people on this side can't drive. Cause look, this motherfucker's hanging out in the middle of the traffic. You see it? Motherfucker can't drive, boy. Shit. That's all I'm cutting his way. Got all the trash on the side. This route take me through downtown. What they say about them Ultima females. I bet she snatched up on the light. Oh no, she was too focused on her phone. Race car shit here, hit the corner fast. Two hands. Downtown, I be trying to time the light, so if you got that green on one, you can hit them, but when you start seeing them yellow, you can accelerate and like really get through it. And kind of time it. Let's see if I can cut through downtown. See all them lights? If y'all see all them lights? Let me see if I can cut through all the lights without getting no red. Let's see if I can make it all the way through. Challenge accepted. A lot of traffic though. So we playing the game right now. Guess we did it. Nigga, we made it. Gotta jump in. I'm gonna jump in right here. Boy made it through downtown, all green lights, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had to be too aggressive through traffic. I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda hard to try to like cut through with this damn camera on my face. Cause it's literally right there. If I could picture it between my eyes, so I kinda like gotta look through it in a way. So, and then you know these Camaros, boy, blind spots like crazy, boy. It's been a couple times I done looked to the side. I ain't seen nobody, but there was a car right there. But there was too close that I couldn't see him, but too far that the sensor didn't pick him up. So, you know. So technically, I wasn't gonna hit him, but I cut him off, you know. And that's too much. School buses and shit. Oh, like I was showing y'all last night. I don't know if I can see it. The what is it called? The circus. Circus. I gotta see what circus it is. It might be the Soleil, right? Or the Soul Circus? One of them. I gotta see what it is. to take the family to it. Damn. Imagine this bridge just say, "Ha! I give up." Boy, we too high, boy. I don't know about no survival. It don't matter how much you know how to swim. You smacking into that ground, that water. Leave. I think about 100 feet up. Something like that. I don't know. But it's just a afternoon drive, you know what I'm saying? Video. This, it ain't nothing too crazy. Just chill me as we just drive. Get up out of there. I had to drop to get out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add some music to the video so I can keep y'all, you know what I'm saying, entertained. What's what kind of music I'm gonna add? I used to just go to Chick-fil-A heavy. Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. Nah, it don't taste the same. Oh, hey, y'all comment down below. Do Chick-fil-A taste the same to y'all? I don't know. It tastes different. And then now with these people coming out with all this, talking about Chick-fil-A and the chemicals and all this shit, I'm like, damn. I ain't gonna lie, the only reason I really fucking with Chick-fil-A, the way they marketed themselves as if it was healthier. Shit, you know? So you paid a little extra for the healthier and the good service. But nah, fuck it. It don't taste the same no more either, so shit. But I don't know how long this video is. Trying to keep it short. Like and subscribe, road to 1,000. 30-day challenge. Your boy, left turn, I'm out of here. Mi gente. Appreciate y'all for sticking around my challenge. Each video gonna be a little bit different, try to see what y'all like, what y'all don't like, you know. I couldn't really keep quiet, it kind of feel weird. You know what I'm saying? All of this feel weird, but hey, weird is good. Cause shit, if you ain't being weird, you ain't being different. So, but this don't be too different, like y'all here on some other shit, you know what I'm saying? We don't condone no other shit type shit. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? All that other shit, like that. But your boy, hey, mi gente, like, subscribe, I'm out.